Hi, this is Khalid, and today I'm showing you how to build your own Kindle audio adapter, which is quite easy because you only need two items. The first one is a micro USB to USB host cable, like this one. And the second item is an external sound card, like this one, with USB connectivity and, in my case, stereo output. The microphone input is not needed. So that's it really. Just plug this in. Plug in your headphones or speakers and plug this into the Kindle. Before I do that, just a quick word on device support. I'm showing you the Kindle Voyage, which is currently not supported by Amazon, at least not officially. Amazon is only providing the voice files for the Kindle Paperwhite. And the Kindle Oasis is coming pre-installed with those same files. I copied those files to the Kindle Voyage and it's working perfectly fine on firmware 5.7.4. And as you can see in a few seconds after I plug this into the device, the voice view feature activates automatically. So let's do that.
Voice view enabled. Home button. Double tap to select.
So as you can see, the voice view feature is activated. Double tapping items to select them or open books is the standard way of doing it with voice view enabled. You can drive your finger over the display to select items.
Back button. Double tap quick actions button. Store button. Quick actions button. Double quick actions. Dialog box. Airplane mode on. Double tap sync my Kindle button. Voice view settings button. Brightness 12 of 24. Decrease brightness. Auto brightness. Check airplane mode. Exit button. Double tap. Home button. Double tap to select.
So I'm going to open a book and show you the text-to-speech function.
Home button. Double tap to select.
Okay, let's do it this
Library
way.
Presents The Sign of the Four. Sherlock Holmes Book 2. Sir Arthur. Double tap for menu. Quickly swipe down with two fingers held close together for continuous reading. Double tap and hold to select text. For a mere passing pleasure, risk the loss of those great powers with which you have been endowed. Remember that I speak not only as one comrade to another, but as a medical man to one for whose constitution he is to some extent answerable. He did not seem offended. On the contrary, he put his fingertips together and leaned his elbows on the arms of his chair, like one who has a relish for conversation. My mind, he said, rebels at stagnation. Give me problems, give me work, give me the most abstruse cryptogram or the most intricate analysis, and I am in my own proper atmosphere. I can dispense then with artificial stimulants, but I abhor the dull routine of existence. I crave for mental exaltation. That is why I have chosen my own particular profession, or rather created it, for I am the home button. Double tap to select.
So as you can see, this is working really nicely. I think that's it. If I unplug the self-built Kindle audio adapter, and of course it should be the same with the official one, the voice view feature will be turned off and you will get this pop-up alert. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.